Both left doors on this 2025 Niro were done. Structurally, this was a straightforward fix, just labor intensive. First step, get it up on the jack and pull both doors off completely. Once they're off, you can really see the extent of the damage and confirm nothing behind them like the frame or hinges took a hit. I picked up 2 used doors from a local auto parts yard, way cheaper than OEM new. But used doors come stripped or mismatched, so I transferred every interior component, window regulator, speaker, wiring, door panel, from the crash doors over to the replacements. Getting the doors to sit flush with the body is where patience matters. Every gap has to line up evenly with the frame, or it's obvious something was replaced. Once the doors were mounted and aligned, it's sanding and prep. This step decides how good the paint looks later. Rush this and it shows. Wrap the rest of the car to protect it, then paint the full side to blend the new panels seamlessly with the factory finish. Last step before calling it done, full diagnostic check. No faulty codes on the dash, everything came back clean. Total cost on this one, all in, $11,850, sold for $19,400. Full process start to finish, exactly how it happened, every step documented. I'm Julio. I run out of dimensions here in LA. Follow along for the next vehicle.